guys, Jason Digos with RTTi again. Did you know that Rockford amplifiers have an input section called balanced differential inputs? Basically what it does is it helps eliminate engine noise in your system. But for more on this, let's go to the guy that actually designed and engineered this. Dave Baker. He's our electrical engineering manager here at Rockford. We're going to take the camera over and just have a little conversation with him. Let's go.
It's balanced differential input. It's a noise force field. Head units have a single-ended output. Basically one, there's two conductors that ride on the RCA have ground, and then the signal conductor. Well, as they're running in parallel, they start to pick up noise, common noise that's generated throughout the run. So the hot conductor and the ground conductor will pick up that noise, and typically it's alternator noise. So with the differential input, what that does is it looks at the common noise between the two lines, the ground and the signal, and it cancels it out. Once it hits that differential circuit, it zeroes it out so that common mode noise doesn't make it to the amplifier core and ultimately to the speaker. So you don't cancel out any audio. It only cancels out electrical noise that's common on both conductors. So the circuit recognizes what's common and subtracts that out of the equation, so all that's left is audio. But the differential input will work with either balanced or single-ended output, and you get the benefit of the common mode rejection. And typically we're seeing 70 dB worth of common mode rejection, which is very good. A typical single-ended input, single-ended amplifier input with no differential is typically about 45 to 50 dB worth of common mode rejection. So we're
20 dB.
Yeah, it's superior to that configuration. Alternators are not filtered at all. If you were to take an oscilloscope and look at the hot lead of an alternator, you would see so much junk that gets on the audio, gets on the routings, and it needs to be dealt with. It's something that's unique in car audio that you won't find in a home environment. You may have some 60 cycle hum in a home environment, but you can easily filter out one frequency. Alternator noise is all over the place. It peaks at a few frequencies, but then it spreads across almost the entire audio spectrum. So it's quite a challenge, and a task to get rid of that noise. But the balanced differential input do a great job at taking care of it.